My name is Marni, and from here on out, I'm going to be your very own personal wing girl, and it's my job to give you no BS, honest truth about what women want versus what they say they want. But before I dive into this week's video, I have a small favor to ask. If you like this video or any of my videos, please click the link below and share this video with others. So the other night, I was out at a lounge with my friends Mike and Eric, and we were all sitting in a moderately busy lounge when we noticed this tall Angelina Jolie type walk into the bar. And within seconds after that, we all watched and had a good laugh as swarms of men took their turn to try and talk to her, all of which she turned down without saying a single word. So my friend Mike demanded that one of them should go over and introduce themselves. Certain as hell that that's all they needed to do was be friendly and say who they were. "Hi, my name is Mike," is all you gotta say, he insisted. But I knew better. I'm a woman, right? So I told him, "Hi can certainly work if delivered correctly by a man that this woman was already attracted to, but it would not cut it in this situation." Meaning I noticed that this girl had not given him a single indicator that she was attracted to him already. So in this situation, that's definitely not the way to go. Eric then demanded that one of them go over and tell her, "You're the prettiest girl in the bar." Wrong again. Okay? This girl has been given that feedback at least 10 times that day by other men, so that compliment certainly won't have an impact on her. The guys were getting fed up with me at this point and asked what the hell would work then, considering she turned down all 7 of the guys that had approached her at this point. Before I answered them, I scanned the lounge really quickly and noticed that all the girls in there were wearing really short, tight dresses, while our girl in question was wearing a very casual, loose-fitting blouse with a pair of jeans. Then I said, use OSA, which is my method for starting conversations with women that you can learn about in my program, How to Become a Man Women Want, or my new Successful Approaching program. So this is what I would say using OSA. "I noticed you're the only girl in here not dressed in saran wrap, and I really like that." Then I went to explain what made this statement better than the ones they came up with. At this point, "Hi, my name is Mike" won't work because she doesn't know who you are and doesn't care to know who you are. There are floods of men coming and introducing themselves, and her guard is up. Doesn't mean you can't get it down, but that's just more work for you. "You're the prettiest girl in the bar" is an obvious attempt at flattery, and it's something any guy can say to any girl, and it's unauthentic and overused. The truth is, she doesn't want to be seen as any girl. "You're the only one in here wearing X, Y, or Z, and I like it" is something you absolutely cannot say to any other girl because it's your reaction to her in this moment. It's genuine and unique and kind of smartassy. As soon as I finished explaining this, Mike and Eric were silent. And within seconds, they both thought to get up and talk to the girl. Mike ended up winning. And sure enough, we watched as the girl not only giggled and blushed at Mike's comment, but also turned around to face him and talk very excitedly throughout their entire conversation, all ending up with Mike getting her number while every other guy watched dumbfounded in disbelief. Amazing, right? So what I want you to take away from this is that you have to say something to her that you cannot say to any other woman, be it something about what she's wearing, what she's doing in the moment, or an experience that you are both in, a unique observation. Whatever it is, as long as your comment comes from something about the current moment, it's genuine, authentic, and it's gonna make her feel special and instantly attracted to you within seconds. Obviously, there is more to be done after that opener, but it makes the women more open to hearing what you have to say. After that night, I came home and I found a clip on TV to give you the perfect example of a guy using this tip in action. I've posted the clip on my website because it's an example of this guy using a unique observation at a grocery store. To watch this video, go to winggirlmethod.com/grocery pickup or click the link below in the comments section. My name is Marni and I'm your personal wing girl. I'll see you soon.